Welcome to the Health Proxin channel. Did you know that potato has a lot of health benefits? Anyway, before we get into the video, I would just like to ask you to like, subscribe, and to share this video if you have benefited from it. So without further ado, let us get into the video to see the health benefits of potato and how much it can help you along your weight loss journey. Let's get started. Throughout America, potatoes are the most popular vegetable, even being ahead of lettuce and onions. You can prepare and cook potatoes in a variety of ways. And they are included in 1 out of 3 meals eaten by almost all Americans. When they are prepared in a healthy way, a potato can be an excellent source of energy and also pack a nutritional punch. Like oranges, potatoes are very high in vitamin C. The fact is, 1 medium potato contains 45% of the vitamin C that's recommended for good health. Potatoes are also high in fiber and carbohydrates and contain more potassium than a banana. A potato is naturally low in calories and contain no fat, sodium or cholesterol. The skin of potato provides a helpful dose of fiber, iron, potassium, calcium, zinc, phosphorus, and several B vitamins. You can prepare potatoes by boiling them, steaming them, or even roasting them. If at all possible, you should avoid putting potatoes in the refrigerator or freezing them, as cold will turn the potato starch to sugar and cause them to turn dark when they are cooked.